Imagine that you don't have a work time. You can work whenever you want and as much as you want. It all depends on you. You're not stuck in office. You can travel and make money, drink your cocktail on the beach and make money. Stay in your cozy couch and still make money. It is like a dream that you can actually live. But there is a catch. And I need to warn you, it won't work for people who are too lazy to watch this video till the end. Make sure that you're not skipping anything because every step and detail that I'm going to show you is extremely important. So that's why you must stay till the end and implement everything that is shown here. But before we dive in, make sure to hit the like button. It will show me that you really want to see more videos like this one. And consider subscribing if you're interested in making money online, because this is exactly what I share on this channel. And hit the notification bell to be the first one who learns the strategy and makes the most money. So let's dive into today's topic, but first, intro. So here is the first thing that you need to do. It doesn't matter if you're using a smartphone, computer, laptop, or tablet. All you need is just an internet connection. Go to google.com. That will be your first task because, as always, I'm going to explain you in details and step by step what you need to do, and all you have to do right now is just to pay attention and keep watching till the end, because whenever I finish the video you will be able to implement all the steps and strategies here and you will start making money successfully. If you don't have enough time to watch the video, you can change the speed of it and just watch it faster. Actually, this is what I do with almost all the videos that I watch on YouTube. So I want to complete each and every step the way that I show you. So open your Google now. The next thing that you should do is search for the word Captera with double R. And then I want you to press search. So here, I want you to click on this link right here. It says Top Software at Captera. Software and software reviews for. So this is the page that you will see whenever you click on the link. This is a free platform, tool, website that wants you to rate different softwares. And don't worry, you don't need to download any software here. All the work will take you around 2 minutes. And don't worry, I'm going to show you how it is done step by step. Now you can see that you can browse 700 different categories. So there are available over 700 different browser categories, and between each category you have hundreds of different softwares which you can review. So you can review all the online softwares right now and you will be paid around $10 for every software that you review. And if you stick with me, I'm going to show you how you can make $10 in 2 minutes and how you can make it over and over again without actually having to buy the software by yourself. And to prove that it actually works, you can see here that they have more than 1 million reviews, and you can make the math how much money people made by using Captera.com. And maybe you're wondering, why would they pay you $10 for an action that will take you only 120 seconds? Here is the answer. The product owner is willing to pay that amount of money because rating the product with 5 stars will build a social proof for their product, and it means that they will be selling their product more easily. So this is how the system works. Basically, Captera.com is a mediator for this process. It's a nice return on investment for them, so that's why they will be paying you or someone else $10 easily. Anyways, the third step for you after coming to Captera.com is to click this button here which says Write a Review. It will lead you to that page where you can find thousands of different companies and thousands of different products that you can review and make money. You can search for companies and products here and share your experience about the product with the other software buyers. As I've already said, people tend to buy things that have some kind of social proof. Even you, don't you check the reviews and the feedbacks when you're buying something or you want to choose a good hotel? We are looking for a perspective that will give us a real idea about the product or the place. You can see that you can review different products like a product made by Microsoft. Here are the popular softwares to review. But there are like thousands and thousands of products that you can review. All you need to do is just search for them. So definitely there will be no shortage of ways to make money with Capterra.com. And now if you go to browse categories here, you're going to see that there are thousands and thousands softwares that you can actually review. You can review a business software, finance software, manufacturing software, data collecting software, and so on and so on. You can see the big potential here. You can literally make decent amount of money by using this platform within 120 seconds. I think that you should definitely give it a try. So let's dive in. So let's say that you want to review QuickBooks software. Well, rather than just clicking on it and going straight to writing a review about it, here is a really useful tip that will save so much time and will make you a lot more money, and that is to copy the actual title of the software name. Go back to Google and search for the software review. So write here QuickBooks review and click on search. So you can find all the online reviews for the product and get some kind of an idea about the product even from the Capterra.com itself. So I can open up this link and see what other people made their review, what they wrote about it, how they rated it. Let's say this review right here. This is an example, Jane R. You can see how many stars she gave to the product, and here's what she says about it as well. Worth the price tag. Overall, I started out learning QuickBooks on the desktop version of a previous job, and the software has come long way since then. The online version is well organized, easy to use, and in the 3 years I've been using it, I've never run into a single glitch. So on. So actually this review gives you an idea about the product itself and that you can actually write about it. Don't just copy the review because no one wants to pay to the bots. Make sure that you're changing the text, just keep the main idea. If you just copy and paste the text, you won't make any money, obviously. Reading the other people's review will save you so much time and will make you so much money. Now you don't have to spend hours and hours going through the software, learning about it, finding the pros and cons. You don't need to buy the software and spend hundreds of and thousands of dollars just to make a review about it, rather than you can just go to their reviews. You don't need to buy the software and spend hundreds and thousands of dollars just to make a review about it, rather than you can just go to their reviews. Read it and take the main idea and then just rewrite your own review. Simple and easy like that. For me, the most important parts that you must read are overall, cons, and pros. If you keep watching, I'm going to show you a real life example in a minute. Just keep on watching and we will make that online money. So this is how actually you can find a review and create a one without spending countless hours or countless money just to write a single review. This is how the process works. So right now we know how to do the things. Let's try it on a real life and see how actually you're writing the review on this platform. First things are first. Just open the platform again, make sure that you're on the home page, then click on Write a Review button. Just the same way that I showed you in the beginning. It will lead you to that page, and here on the search bar you can actually search for the company or product that you want to write a review, or you can simply choose one of them here down below. So for this case I'm going to review QuickBooks right here. Click on it. It will lead you to this page where actually you need to fill the information. So I want to fill some basic information about yourself, like your first name, last name, your email address, etc. And here is the more important part where they ask you how often do you use the product. Make sure to check daily or weekly because they want people who are really familiar with the software itself. If you choose monthly or other, I mean like yearly, it means that you're not really aware of the product and your opinion can't be really objective, and they don't want that. and your review probably won't get accepted. I will go with daily. My role is that I'm just a user, obviously. Check this box right here and just click on next. So here on this page, you're just rating the product itself. So make sure that actually you're giving a high rating, because actually it raises the chances of your review to be accepted, and it means that you will be making more money. And also you can check other people's rating to create a realistic review about the product. So let's say 5 stars here, 4 here, 5 there, and 4 here. That's it. You can see that rating the features is optional, but if you complete them all, you have higher chances of making money. So if you don't mind, select some of them, and no, you don't need to complete all of them. And finally, you just need to tell how expensive is QuickBooks compared to other similar products. You better choose not really expensive here, and that you will definitely offer it to a colleague or a friend because the product is great. And of course, you don't need to copy my review. Maybe the product that you're going to choose is far different from this one. And the hardest part is here. You just need to write your review. So come back to this page, read the review here, and just change it a little bit. For example, I would say the product is great. It is easy and pretty useful. I didn't have any hard time while I was learning how to use it, and as a small entrepreneur, I think it is a pretty good tool. Just change the title a little bit and that's it. Then this is optional. You can leave this blank completed. If you fill out this form as well, you have higher chances. The more forms you fill out, the more details you give them, more money you will make, because more people, more software owners will accept your review. So definitely try to not leave all of this blank where it says optional, but actually fill it out. Don't be lazy. I know it's gonna take you like a minute or two to complete all of that, but it's gonna pay off. And after that, you can select whether you switch from another product or not. What you will simply do is, for example, click yes, and you did, and you can say what product did you switch from. And let's say, for example, this guy did that. Nope, but this one did. He switched from Excel, so I can search for the Excel software right here by Microsoft. I will scroll down and I'll just take this box submitting this review. I certified to kept earn its affiliates that I'm person I represent to be. Obviously you are. If you wrote your real name and last name, and make sure to do that, make sure to enter your real information, your real name, your real last name, and after that just click submit and you're done. All of this is going to take you less than 120 seconds, less than 2 minutes, and you can get paid $10 for this one single review. And as I've shown you, you can review all of these different softwares. As you can see, just from the category, you have like over 100 softwares which you can review today. Then from the B category, another 100, and so on and so forth. As you can see, the list goes on and on. And these are all just categories between which you have lots of different softwares to review. So there will never be shortage of money to be made from this website. Go there, go to cafeteria.com, start reviewing those softwares, start submitting your reviews, and collect your earnings. I hope you did get some value out of this video, and if you did, don't forget to drop a like, to leave it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to this channel with notifications on so you don't miss out any of the new content. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in some of the next videos.